This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Subaru WRX. First, let's gather our essential tools and supplies. You'll need about 5 4/10 quarts of 5W30 synthetic oil and a fresh oil filter. Don't forget your drain pan, a funnel, and the correct wrench for your drain plug. Safety is key, so have a jack stands, and an oil filter wrench ready. Also, keep some rags and gloves nearby for a clean job. Now, let's get that old oil out. Start by running your engine for about 5 minutes. This warms the oil, making it flow much better. Next, safely lift your WRX using a jack and secure it firmly on jack stands. Place your drain pan directly under the oil pan. Carefully remove the drain plug, allowing all the old, dirty oil to drain completely into the pan. This usually takes several minutes, so be patient. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new. First, replace the drain plug, ensuring you use a new crush washer and tighten it properly. Next, locate and remove the old oil filter with your filter wrench. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it an additional 1/4 turn with the wrench. You're almost done. Carefully lower your WRX back to the ground. Now, using your funnel, add about 5 4/10 quarts of the fresh 5W30 synthetic oil. Check the oil level with your dipstick to ensure it's within the full marks. Start your engine for a moment to circulate the new oil, then turn it off. After about 5 minutes, recheck the dipstick one last time to confirm the level is perfect. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.